If you use Obsidian, this one is for you, because today we're connecting your Obsidian vault directly to MindDock. MindDock is not meant to replace Obsidian. It enhances Obsidian by adding a verifiable proof layer to all your notes, folders, and links. You can dock them to the blockchain with just one click, tamper-proof, end-to-end encrypted, and blockchain verified. Let's set it up. First, you'll need to install the MindDock plugin in Obsidian. It's not yet available in the community plugin store, so for now, we'll install it manually. But don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Go to www.minddock.network and scroll down to the Tools section in the footer of the page. There, you can download the zipped Obsidian plugin. Next, open your Obsidian Vault folder on your computer. Go to the folder called .obsidian, then Plugins, and create a new folder named MindDock. Unzip the plugin in that folder. Now go back to Obsidian. Open Settings, then Community Plugins. Make sure Restricted Mode is turned off, then click Refresh. You should now see MindDock in the list. Enable it. That's it. The plugin is now installed. Before MindDock can do anything, it needs to know who you are. That's where the API token comes in. Go back to app.minddock.network, log in with your internet identity, and go to Settings, then API Tokens. Click Create New Token, give it a name such as Obsidian, and click Create. You'll see a token that starts with mdoc_. Copy that token. This is your key, so keep it private. Now return to Obsidian and open the MindDock plugin settings. You'll see a field labeled API token. Paste your token there. As soon as you paste it, the plugin connects to the internet computer and verifies your identity. If everything is working correctly, you'll see a connected status along with your principal ID, your token permissions, and how long the token stays valid. You'll also see your encryption mode. If you're on a paid plan, that will be VetKeys, which is threshold encryption running on ICP. If you're using the free trial, it will use local encryption with AES 256 GCM. Either way, your notes are encrypted before they leave Obsidian. Now for the fun part. Open any note in Obsidian. You'll see a new icon in the left ribbon. That's the MindDock anchor. Click it and your note will be docked. Here's what happens in the background. MindDock encrypts the content, creates a hash, and sends it to the blockchain. The blockchain then records tamper-proof evidence that this exact content existed at this exact moment. In other words, with a simple mouse click, a digital deed is stored as if by a notary. This deed serves as proof that your thoughts existed at that moment, and it is securely stored across a vast network of computers. No hassle, no trip to the notary, no notary fees, and so on. Just dock the deed. You'll receive a notification with the content hash. And if you have the Add Proof to frontmatter option enabled in Settings, which we recommend, MindDock will automatically add metadata to your note's frontmatter, including the hash, the version, and the proof URL. Now let's say some time has passed, and you want to check whether a note has changed since you docked it. Right-click the note in the file tree and choose Verify MindDock Proof. MindDock calculates a new hash for the current content and compares it with the one stored on the blockchain. If they match, your note is verified. If something has changed, you'll know right away. That's the real power here. You can prove the integrity of your notes at any point in time, to anyone. You can also dock an entire folder at once. Right-click a folder in your vault and choose Dock Folder to MindDock. MindDock will recreate the folder structure on the blockchain and dock every note inside it, all in one go. And in the status bar, you'll always be able to see your connection status at a glance. It shows your rank icon and your connection to the internet computer. If anything is wrong, you'll see it there as well. So that's the MindDock plugin for Obsidian. Your notes, your vault, your keys, and now also a permanent and verifiable record on the blockchain. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.